No, no, no. No.
What is the question number?
7, sir.
The period of mod sin x plus cos x. The mod sin x plus modulus is there, so you can write this one as sin x plus cos x whole square. Next, root whole square is mod x only. So next, sin x plus cos x whole square is sin square x plus cos square x is 1 plus 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x we can write 1 plus sin 2x. Now here the function is sin 2x. What is the derivative of sin 2x? Sorry, what is the period of the sin ax? 2 pi by a. A value is 2. So answer is 5. Page number 42, graph periodicity and extreme values.
So, sir, we just need to find the period for sin 2x. That's it.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Otherwise, we can verify with the options. So what are the options here? Pi, first one. Second, e pi. That is minus pi, I think. E pi.
So, just 1 minute. I'll just copy it down, sir.
Pi, pi by 4, pi by 2. First option, maybe some mistake is there. So now we have to verify the options. So suppose we start with the least value, pi by 4. Are you get the same? If you, what is the definition? F of x plus k equals to f of x. Then we say that k is least positive real number, k is periodicity. So if you take pi by 4 first, pi by 4 plus x plus cos pi by 4 plus x. Is it possible to simplify? So we won't get the same function. So pi by 4 is not the periodicity. Next, if you take pi by 2, sin pi by 2 plus x plus cos pi by 2 plus x. What is sin 90 plus x? Cos x. Cos 90 plus x minus sin. This is not the same function. So it is also not period. Next, pi. Sin pi plus x plus cos pi plus x. Pi plus third quadrant sin negative,
Oh,
cos negative, but the modulus is there. If you, we know we have property mod x of equals to mod minus x, both are same. So this
okay.
is
Okay,
equals
sir.
to sin x plus cos x.
Okay,
So we are
got it, sir.
getting the same function means so period is pi. Otherwise,
Yes.
directly method is good. We can verify the options with the small values. From small values you have to verify, and you have to get the same function. That is the periodicity. Next,
So could you do the JE question 1?
general solutions. Page number 53.
So 53.
That is the trigonometry first part. Fk of x equals to 1 by k into sin power kx plus cos power kx. So what we have to simplify? F4 of x minus F6 of x. So F4 means by putting k equals to 4, sin power 4x plus cos power 4x minus 1 by 6 into sin power 6x plus cos power 6x. 1 by 4 into sin power 4 plus cos power 4, you can write a square plus b square. So sin square x plus cos square x whole square means sin power 4 plus cos power 4 plus 2ab extra. So to subtract that one, to cancel that one, we have to subtract 2 sin square x cos square x. Similarly here 1 by 6 into sin power 6 plus cos power 6 also you can write sin square x plus cos square x whole cube. A plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. A cube plus b cube we can write A plus B whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Now what is sin square x plus cos square x? 1. 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x. Remember this, you always you will get this one. Sin power 4x plus cos power 4x you can get right. 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x. Similarly, sin power 6x plus cos power 6x we can write 1 1. So 1 minus 3 sin square x cos square x. Sin power 4x plus cos power 4x is 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x. Sin power 6x plus cos power 6x is 1 minus 3 sin square x cos square x. So now you simplify it. 2 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 6, 1 by 2 will cancel. So answer is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. LCM 12. 3 minus 2. So 1 by 12 is the answer. This term will cancel. 2 by 4, 3 by 6. 1 by 2 only. Minus 1, minus plus. So answer is 1 by 12. Which side, how many problems completed? General solutions. Last class. Twelfth question, homework problem. 3 sin square x plus cos 4 cos square x. We have to find the minimum value. 3 sin square x plus 4 cos square x. You can write this one as 3 sin square x plus 3 cos square x plus cos square x. 3 sin square x plus 3 cos square x is 3 plus cos square x. Now we have to find the minimum value. Cos x lies between minus 1 and plus 1. Cos square x values between 0 to 1 because negative values also converted to positive values. So minimum value is 3 plus 0, 3. Maximum value is 3 plus 1, 4. So minimum value is 3 answer.
Sir, eighth one also, please.
Periodicity, 8th one. Function is cot x by 4 plus tan x by 4 by 1 plus tan x by 2 minus tan x. So 2 or more functions are again you have to take the LCM of each periodicity. The LCM of cot x by 4, cot x 5 by a, 5 by 1 by 4. Same, cot and tan same, 5 by a, tan 5 by 1 by 2, 5. So this is 4 pi, 4 pi, 2 pi, 5. What is the LCM of 4 pi, 4 pi, 2 pi, 5? 4 pi. 4 pi is the answer. So if
So
you
why do we
have
find the LCM?
2 or more functions, you have to take the LCM.
Okay, sir.
Because at that time, they both will repeat the same value. Common multiples.
Sir, can we revise the stuff which are coming for Tuesday's exam because that would help us all?
What?
Can we do questions and everything for like the chapters which are coming for Tuesday's exam because it would help us all?
Equation, general equations means you have to solve the equation. Always you get the they are given in the beginning only that equations. You have to remember general solutions, formulas. First you have to solve the equations, and periodicity and the maximum values are easy. Only thing is equations, you have to solve it. So already discussed this one, the same models you will get it. Suppose if you see how many problems we completed, CET completed, we check how many questions completed last class. How many completed? See page number 50.
In page number 50, we did 13, and then after that, we did the 19th question.
Equations you see. So the question you see cot 7 theta equals to cos theta minus sin 4 theta. So first of all, I have given this equation, you have to solve it. So sin 4 theta, we won't apply that transformation. So cos, we have to write cos 7 theta minus cos theta plus sin 4 theta equals to 0. Cos c minus cos d minus 2 sin c plus d by 2. 8 theta by 2 is 4 theta. Sin c minus d by 2. 6 theta by 2 is 3 theta. Plus sin 4 theta equals to 0. Sin 4 theta common. So 1 minus 2 sin 3 theta equals to 0. So product 0 means each one may be 0. So sin 4 theta equal to 0 or 1 minus 2 sin 3 theta equals to 0. Sin 4 theta 0. Sin theta 0 for n pi. Equations, so at the beginning only I have given formulas. You have to remember all those formulas. After solving the equation, always you will get those equations, those general solutions. So theta equals to n pi by 4. First you have to write for 4 theta. So next you have to divide with 4. Next, similarly here, what is sin 3 theta equals to 1 by 2. So general solution of 1 by 2 means you have to write sin pi by 6. Sin theta equals to sin alpha. N pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha. This is for 3 theta first. Next theta. So n pi by 3 plus minus 1 whole power n into pi by 18. So n pi by 4 comma n pi by 3 plus minus 1 whole power n into pi by 18. Last option. So like that you have to solve the equation and you have to write the general solution. Solving only depend on the problem you have to think. At last we will get the same type of solutions only. Sin theta equal to sin alpha, cos theta equal to cos alpha, or sin theta equal to 0, cos theta equal to 0. Sin theta, tan theta 0, n pi. Cot theta, cos theta 0, odd multiples of pi by 2, 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Next, sin theta equal to sin alpha is n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha. Cos theta is 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Tan theta is n pi plus alpha. Secant you have to converting into cos, cosecant you have to converting into sin, cot you have to converting into tan. So always we get this one. Next one more we have all sin square theta equal to sin square alpha, cos square theta equal to cos square alpha, tan square theta equal to tan square alpha. General solution is n pi plus or minus alpha. Squares means you have to write the squares. Next one more model, 15th question. If you see sin theta equals to minus 1 by 2, tan theta equals to 1 by root 3. So suppose if they have given two trigonometric equations involving two different functions, in that case you have to write the first common solution. Sin negative, tan positive. Sin negative, tan positive is quadrant. Third quadrant. So third quadrant angle you have to write sin 180 plus. First quadrant is theta. Second quadrant 180 minus theta. Because we have to write the same function. 92 cent if you write, the function will change. So that's why we'll write second quadrant 180 minus theta. Third quadrant 180 plus theta. Fourth quadrant you can write in the clockwise direction minus theta or 2 pi minus theta also you can write it. So according to this you have to write alpha value. So here sine negative, tan positive, third quadrant. So 5 plus, where you get 1 by 2? For sine 60 or 30, 30. Here also tan 30 you will get 1 by root 3. So sine 5 plus 5 by 6 and this one also 5 plus 5 by 6. Common solution you have to write. So alpha value 5 plus 5 by 6 is 7 pi by 6. So always general solution is 2n pi plus alpha. For any two equations, sin theta equal to sin alpha or cos theta equal to cos alpha or tan theta equals to tan alpha, 2n pi plus alpha, alpha is the common solution. Corresponding to the quadrant, you have to write alpha value. So what is the answer here? 2n pi plus 7 pi by 6. If they are given two equations, you have to write like third up. Next, if you see 17th one, 12 cot square theta minus 31 cosecant theta plus 32 equals to 0. We have to find sin theta. So here this is the equation. So we have to converting it to cot square into cosecant square. Cosecant square theta minus 1 minus 31 cosecant theta plus 32 equals to 0. So that we get one equation in terms of cosecant. So 12 cosecant square theta minus 31 cosecant theta plus 32 minus 12 plus 20 equals to 0. What are the factors? 20 into 12 to get 31. 16, 15, okay. 12 cosecant square theta minus 16 cosecant theta minus 15 cosecant theta plus 20 equals to 0. 12 cosecant, 16 cosecant, 4 cosecant theta common. 3 cosecant theta minus 4 minus 5 common. 3 cosecant theta minus 4 equals to 0. So what we get? 4 cosecant theta minus 5 into 3 cosecant theta minus 4 equal to 0. So cosecant theta value 5 by 4 or 4 by 3. What we have to find sin theta value? 4 by 5 or 3 by 4. If suppose some fixed values 1 by 2 root 3 by 2 like that, we can write the general solution. Here we don't know the exact value, so we can use like this. Okay. Next, 20th one, if you say period of sin theta plus sin 2 theta plus cos theta plus cos 2 theta. So here we have two or more than 2. So in that case, we have to take LCM now. What is the period of sin theta? 2 pi. Sin 2 theta, 2 pi by a, 2. Cos theta, 2 pi. 2 pi by 2. What is the LCM? 2 pi. So answer is 2 pi periods. Next 21, if you take 8 tan square x by 2 equals to 1 plus secant x. How you write tan square x by 2? This is on equation. You have to solve and you have to write the general solution. 8 into tan square x by 2, you can write 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. 1 minus cos x, half angle formula, so 2 sin square x by 2. 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. 2 will cancel, sin square by cos square, tan square x by 2. So this one also you can write 1 plus 1 by cos x. So take cross multiplication, 8 into 1 minus cos x equals to, into cos x equals to 1 plus cos x into 1 plus cos x, 1 plus cos x whole square. So 8 cos x minus 8 cos square x equals to 1 plus cos square x plus 2 cos x. So 8 plus 1, 9 cos square x, take all terms to right side, plus 2 cos x minus 8 cos x minus 6 cos x plus 1 equals to 3. This is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 3 cos x minus 1 whole square equals to 0. So cos x equals to 1 by 3. Cos x equals to 1 by 3. 1 by 3, we don't know the exact value. So we have to write x equals to cos inverse 1 by 3. And the inverse parameter next to it. So general solution is 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Alpha is this one. Cos inverse 1 by 3. So 2n pi plus or minus cos inverse 1 by 3. Third option. Understand? Next, 24 tan theta equals to minus 1 by root 3. What is the general solution? Minus 1 by root 3 you can write minus 1 by root 3 you can write tan minus 5 by 6. So tan theta general solution n pi plus alpha. Alpha is minus 5 by 6. Answer is n pi minus 5 by 6, last option. Minus 1 by root 3 I already done. Fourth quadrant you can write minus 5 by 6 or 2 pi minus 5 by 6 also. 2 pi minus 5 by 6 or second quadrant pi minus 5 by 6. According to the options you have to write tan negative in second quadrant, fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant you can write minus 5 by 6 or 2 pi minus 5 by 6. Second quadrant pi minus 5 by 6. For options we have this one, n pi minus 5 by 6. Next, 25th, if you take cos 2 theta equals to sin theta, this is the equation, and you have to find the solution between 0 to 2 pi only. So how to solve this one? Cos 2 theta you can write 1 minus 2 sin square theta equals to sin theta. So that we get one equation in terms of sin. 2 sin square theta plus sin theta minus 1 equal to 0. What are the factors? 2 sin theta minus 1. Sin theta plus 1 equals to 0. 2 sin theta. Sin theta equals to 1 by 2. Sin theta equals to minus 1. Sin theta 1 by 2 between first quadrant and only first cycle. So sin theta 1 by 2 first quadrant 5 by 6. Second quadrant also positive 5 minus 5 by 6. Third, fourth negative. So we want to get it. Sin theta minus 1. 270. Sin 270. So how many solutions we are getting? How many solutions we get in that 0 to 2 pi? 3 solutions. Otherwise, you can write the general solution and by putting n equal to 0, 1, 2, and so on, minus 1, minus 2, and so on, you can find the solutions between 0 to 2 pi. Understand this one? The number of solutions are 3. Integer question I have given this type of question only. Number of solutions they will give between the range 0 to 2 pi or some 0 to 3 pi like that. Okay? Write it. Completed. Next, 26, already we did this one. A equals to cos square theta plus sin power 4 theta. So you have to write, you have to find the range. Range means maximum value and minimum value. Cos square theta plus sin power 4 theta, you can write 1 minus cos square theta whole square. Otherwise, you can write this one sin power 4 theta plus cos square theta, you can write 1 minus sin square theta. This one also you can write. So sin power 4 theta, 2ab term, 2 into sin square theta into b value 1 by 2. So plus b square is 1 by 2 whole square. Plus to get 1, you have to write 3 by 4. So if you write like this, there is no change. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is 1. 2 into sin square theta into 1 by 2, 2 will cancel, we get only sin square theta, sin power 4 theta. So first 3 terms you can write sin square theta minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 4. So this expression A value we can express like this. Now we have to find the minimum value and maximum value. See, if you observe this one whole square is always greater than or equal to 0. Plus 3 by 4 is there, 3 by 4. So greater than or equals to 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 is minimum value. Next one, maximum. Where do we get maximum of this one? Maximum means we have to maximize this expression only. Sin square theta minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 4. Maximize. So to find maximum, we have to maximize this value. So where we get sin square theta values lies between 0 to 1. So where we get a maximum? Suppose if you substitute 0, minus 1 by 2 whole square, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is 1. Suppose if you substitute 1, 1 minus 1 by 2 is also 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 also, 3 by 4 also 1. So maximum value is 1. So minimum value 3 by 4, maximum value 1 means A lies between 3 by 4 and 1. So this is the range.
So could you please explain the minimum part again?
3 by 4, second option. Already we did this one.
Sir, no answer has the answer which you got. No option.
What they are given?
So there's 3 by 2
3 by
as
2.
minimum value.
3 by 2. No, 3 by 4. We did already the same problem. You see in
Yes,
class
so the options are wrong.
here maybe wrong. 2 times we did this problem. Correct 3 by 4 to 1 correct one. You find the range. Okay. Next. 28. Cot x minus cos x into cot x equals to 1 minus cos x. How do you find the general solution of this equation? Cot x common, 1 minus cos x equals to 1 minus cos x. If you cancel 1 minus cos x, you will lose one solution. 1 minus cos x may be 0 by taking common, and cot x equals to 1. So So cos x equals to 1. What is the general solution? Cos x equals to 1. Cos 0. So x equals to 2n pi plus or minus 0. 2n pi. Next, this one. Cot x equal to 1 means tan x equal to 1. 1 equals to tan pi by 4. X equals to n pi plus pi by 4. 4n plus 1 into pi by 4. So 2n pi comma 4n plus 1 into pi by 4. Last option. They have to give comma between those two.
So could you explain how you got the 4 and plus 1?
Next, tan theta equals to minus 1 by root 3. Already we read now 1. N pi minus pi by 6. Properties of triangles. Next, very main. First one
So
completed.
could you do the 13th question of J main, the maximum minimum one?
13th one.
Yeah.
13th one. U equals to root of a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta plus root over a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta. So to find the difference between the maximum and the minimum values of u square. So what is u square? A plus b all square. Root a all square is a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta plus b square a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta plus 2 into root ab. Root ab is a square cos root a and root b is root ab. Root a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta into a square cos square theta plus this is a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta. A square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta is a square. Similarly, this is b square plus 2 into root of 4. Now we have to multiply this one. So what do you get this one? A square b square cos square theta into cos square theta cos 4 theta plus a square b square sin square theta into sin square theta sin 4 theta plus a square b square sin square theta into cos square theta plus a square b square into sin square 2 times. So 2a square b square sin square theta cos square theta. So it is equals to a square plus b square plus 2 into root a square b square common. So cos 4 theta plus is it correct? A square into a square cos square theta. A power 4 into sin square theta cos square theta into a square into a square. A power 4 plus b power 4. Cos 4 theta into a square b square plus a square b square sin 4 theta plus 1. A power 4 plus b power 4 into sin square theta cos square theta is there.
So there's no AB outside.
Maybe we will get outside. Correct, this one just we are multiplying. Now a square plus b square plus 2 into root of 4. See here a square plus b square you can take common for the first two. Cos power 4 plus sin power 4. Just now in the beginning we simplified by writing a plus b whole square minus b. What do we get? 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta plus a power 4 plus b power 4 into sin square theta cos square theta. Understand this one? How we written? Cos power 4 plus sin power 4. A plus b
Yes, sir.
beginning for sin power 6. So first problem we did the same. Cos square theta plus sin square theta whole square minus 2ab. So 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. So a square plus b square plus 2 into root of 1. This is a square b square. Here plus if you take common a power 4 plus b power 4 minus 2a square b square into sin square theta cos square theta. So a square plus b square plus 2 into root of a square b square plus 1. This one a square minus b square whole square. And sin theta cos theta you can write sin square 2 theta by 2 will carry extra 2 square. What is sin 2 theta? 2 sin theta cos theta. So multiply with 4 and divide with 4. We can write sin square 2 theta by 4. Now we have to find the maximum value and minimum value. Here a square b square total constant. This is the total constant. Only depends on sin 2 theta. If sin is maximum, expression is maximum. If sin is minimum,